What's up, y'all? My name's Jordan Quinn. I'm a former competitive bodybuilder turned into a foodie, world traveler, studier, a bunch of different things. Most importantly, how to live a life as a joyful man. And you might notice that we look pretty different today. We look fairly streamlined. And the reason for that, as I had set a couple of goals for a fundraiser I'm participating in and said that if we didn't get to that goal, I would shave my luscious locks and allow for the Tim Ferriss memery to be stronger than ever. Because we kind of look a lot alike. So anyway, what is this? There's carbs, there's pork, there's mayonnaise. We're making yakisoba pan today, which is a double carb. It's basically a hot dog of fried yakisoba, which is noodles. It's been featured heavily in shows like Midnight Diner. You can go buy it at convenience stores or konbinis in Japan. Super tasty. I'm probably just gonna spend the rest of the day sleeping after I make this, but it's gonna be delicious. Let's get into it. So first things first, go ahead and aggressively cleave your cabbage, and then quick hack, if you core out the middle here, your cabbage will cook down much easier. Time to thinly slice with some sick knife skills, as well as thinly slice 1 clove of garlic and a scallion. The scallion, you're going to only thinly slice the whites and saute those, and then reserve the green part for topping your yakisoba pan later. Then you're going to slice an onion into 8ths and thinly slice again as quickly as you can for the sick knife skills. And look at that carrot go! After you have thinly sliced all your veg, then you're going to realize your nigiri knife was a terrible choice for your pork belly, but you're going to cube that into bite-sized pieces, throw it in a cold pan, set that over medium-high heat, and then sear on both sides until you get a beautiful brown crust. It should look a little bit like that, and then once you've thoroughly seared it, you can just listen to the sweet, sultry sounds of the pork bubbling. Then pull your pork off, reserve that in a bowl off to the side, add all your veg into the reserved pork fat, and then stir fry that, realizing that your 12-inch cast iron was a terrible choice and a wok would be much better, but your woks don't work on your induction burner. Then add in a half a pack of fresh yakisoba noodles, continue to stir fry along with your pork belly, add in a generous drizzle of yakisoba sauce, the brand is Otakfuku, and then some Shirodashi, continue to stir fry, and eventually you're going to have a very nice caramelized sauce, a thoroughly cooked pork belly, and all your veg. After you've toasted your hot dog buns, always toast your buns, scoop in a generous heaping portion of your yakisoba, along with a drenching of Kewpie mayo, fresh pickled ginger, and if you have it, Aonori. I only had Furikake, so I sprinkled Furikake over the top. And then it's time to enjoy. All right, y'all, and that's how you do it. When you want carbs with your carbs, and you want mayonnaise on your carbs, and you want pork in your carbs, you make yakisoba pan like this. And I actually, genuinely, I've never had this before. I've never recipe tested this. I never had it when I was in Japan, but I watched so much TV where it happens. Like I watched Midnight Diner. I walked by it in the konbini all the time. So you're coming along with me for the first time. And genuinely, when you look at this, it looks kind of ridiculous. Truly absurd, but it's gonna be pretty freaking good. So let's find out. That is genuinely one of the most absurd things I've ever eaten. Oh my god. I mean, it can't be bad. It's white bread, noodles, pork, carbs, mayonnaise. You get the bite from ginger. This is really good. It's really, really good. Okay. Yeah. If you are in the mood for carb overload, you want to try something really extraordinarily interesting, this is the move. Thanks for watching. As always, leave me a like, leave me a comment. What do you want to see next? Hit that subscribe button with love, and until next time, Peace.